Gilas faced another Lithuanian team, but this time with a complete squad. In the first quarter, Mar Fajardo led the team with 9 points, while JB and Kiefer got 6 points each. But Lithuania was ahead by 2, 30-28 at the end of the period. Mar still led the squad with 19 points in the second quarter, while Kiefer got 14. Malonzo contributed as well with 2 3-point shots to keep Gilas close in the game as the first half ended 63-61 in favor of Lithuania. Perez, Rhenz, Abando and Thirdy Ravena scored a total of 14 points in the third quarter, while JB contributed 11 to help Gilas break away against Lithuania. Gilas tallied 37 big points and only allowed Lithuania to score 10 points, as the third period ended 98-73 in favor of the Philippines. In the last period, Gilas scored 27 more, as they managed to sustain their big lead from the start of the second half, and never gave Lithuania a chance to get close. The match ended 125-102 in favor of Gilas. Mar finished the game with 28 points while JB got 24. Others in double digits were Kiefer, Rhenz, Jamie and CJ with a total of 55 points. And that will be the last tune-up game of Gilas in Europe.